Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to online maths class. So in the previous class, we have solved up to the question number 6 in the exercise 6.1. So in today's class, let us continue with the question number 7. The given inequality is 3 times x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 times x minus 3. So here we will have to find the value of x. Write the given inequality 3 times x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 times x minus 3. Then now multiply 3 with these two terms and 2 with these two terms. 3 into x, it is 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. So now we have to eliminate minus 3 in the left hand side and minus 6 in the right hand side. So what I do is 3x minus 3 plus 3. So I am adding 3 both the sides, less than or equal to 2x minus 6 plus 3. So here we are adding 3 both the sides. So minus 3 plus 3 get cancels. 3x, write it as it is, less than or equal to 2x. So 3 minus 6 will be minus 3. Now 2x is an extra term in the right hand side. So let us subtract 2x both the sides. 3x minus 2x less than or equal to 2x minus 3 minus 2x. So now plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. So 3x minus 2x will be x less than or equal to, so what do we have? Minus 3. X less than or equal to minus 3. So this we have to write in the form of intervals. So therefore the solution set is what is that? X less than or equal to minus 3. X must be minus 3 and less than that. That means all the negative numbers and minus 3. So it has to be minus infinity comma minus 3. Minus infinity comma minus 3. And we have to write the closed interval because it is less than or equal to minus 3. So this is all about the question number 7. Well, the next question, it is 8.1. 3 times 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. So we have to multiply 3 with these two terms and 2 with these two terms. Let us go ahead with the solution now. So I'll write the given inequality 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 times 1 minus x. So multiply 3 with these two terms. 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. Now here in the left hand side 6 is an extra term. Let us subtract 6 now. 6 minus 3x minus 6 greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x minus 6. So plus 6 minus 6 get cancels. We get minus 3x as it is. Then greater than or equal to minus 2x, I'll be writing it as it is. Then 2 minus 6 will be minus 4. So it is minus 4. So now here minus 2x is an extra term in the right hand side. Let us add 2x both the sides. Minus 3x plus 2x greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. Minus 4 as it is. So now minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. Minus 3x plus 2x will give us minus x. So that I will be writing here minus x, and then greater than or equal to, so we have minus 4. So it is minus 4. So now, so to eliminate the minus sign, both the sides we need to multiply by minus 1. Whenever we multiply by the same negative number, the sign of inequality is reversed. So now minus x into minus 1 less than or equal to minus 4 into minus 1. Then, so this becomes plus x less than or equal to plus 4. So now, therefore, the solution set is The solution set is is, so x less than or equal to 4, x must be 4 and less than that. That means all the negative numbers minus infinity, then 4, it has to be closed interval. So this is the required answer, and this is all about the question number 8. Well, the question number 9, it is x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. So we have to solve the given inequality. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 less than 11. Less than 11. So now take up the LCM here. It is going to be 6. 6 will be multiplied with x. We get 6x plus 2 3s are. We get 3x plus 3 2s are. It is 2x, then whole divided by 6. Then less than 11. Less than 11. So add all the numerators now. 6x plus 3x will be 9x plus 2x. It is 11x. So 11x divided by 6 less than 11. So now here 6 is an extra term in the denominator. In order to eliminate 6, both the sides we need to multiply by 6. So 11x by 6 into 6 less than 11 into 6. So now, so here 6 and 6 get cancelled. We get 11x. 11x less than 11 into 6, it will be 66. So now here 11 is an extra term. So divide both the sides by 11 so that this will be eliminated. So 11x by 11 less than 66 by 11. So here 11 and 11 get cancelled. We get x less than 6. X less than 6. So write the solution set now. Therefore, the solution set is, it is less than 6, not less than or equal to. Less than 6 means it has to be open interval. So all the negative numbers and less than 6. So it has to be open interval. So minus infinity comma 6 is the required solution. Well, the question number 10, it is x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. So I'll write the given inequality. X by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. So now, so x by 2 is an extra term in the right hand side. So in order to eliminate that, let us subtract x by 2 both the sides. I'll be subtracting x by 2 both the sides. So what we get, x by 3 minus x by 2 greater than x by 2 plus 1 then minus x by 2. So plus x by 2 minus x by 2 get cancelled. So here the LCM, it is 6. So 3 2s are. So we get 2x minus 2 3s are. We get 3x. So divided by 6. Then greater than it is 1. So now 2x minus 3x will be minus x. We get minus x divided by 6. Minus x divided by 6 greater than 1. Well, now we have 6 in the denominator. So this is an extra term. To eliminate this, both the sides we will have to multiply by 6. So let us do that now. So here minus x by 6 multiplied by 6, then greater than 1 into 6. So now these two get cancelled. We have minus x greater than 6. Now again minus is an extra term. Minus is an extra term here. Minus 1. Minus is nothing but minus 1. To eliminate this, both the sides we will have to multiply by minus 1. whenever you multiply by the same negative number, the sign of inequality is reversed. So let us do that now. Minus x into minus 1, so it has to be less than 6 into minus 1. So this becomes plus x now, less than minus 6. So x less than minus 6, and it has to be less than minus 6 means all the negative numbers. Therefore the solution set is open interval minus infinity comma minus 6. All the less than minus 6 means all the negative numbers, and it has to be minus less than minus 6. So this is all about the question number 10. Well, question number 11 it is 3 times x minus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 times 2 minus x divided by 3. Let us write the given inequality. 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 times 2 minus x divided by 3. So now let us multiply 3 with these two terms and 5 with these two terms. So what do we get now? 3x minus 6 divided by 5, and then less than or equal to 5 into 2, it will be 10 minus 5x divided by 3. So now here we will have to eliminate 5, and here we have to eliminate 3. So let us both the sides, let us multiply by 5 by 3. In order to eliminate 5 we have to multiply by 5, and in order to eliminate 3 we have to multiply by 3. So in the beginning we'll multiply by 3 both the sides. 5 times 3x minus 6 divided by 5, then less than or equal to 5, I am multiplying by 5, 10 minus 5x divided by 3. So now 5 and 5 get cancelled, 3x minus 6 less than or equal to, so 5 into 10, or else we'll write this as it is, 5 times 10 minus 5x divided by 3. Now to eliminate 3 in the right hand side we have to multiply by 3 both the sides. So let us multiply by 3. 3 times 3x minus 6 less than or equal to 3 into 5 into the bracket 10 minus 5x divided by 3. So 3 and 3 get cancelled here. So 3 into 3x it will be 9x minus 3 into 6 it is 18. Then less than or equal to, so 5 into 10 it is 50 minus 5 into 5 is 25x. Give it 25x minus 25x. So now we have to eliminate minus 18 in the left hand side. Let us add 18. So 9x minus 18, so plus 18 less than or equal to 50 minus 25x plus 18. So minus 18 plus 18 get cancelled. We have 9x, and then take this minus 25x to the left hand side. It becomes plus 25x. Or else another way of eliminating is, here we have minus 25x. Add 25x both the sides. These two get cancelled. Here we get 25x, and then less than or equal to 50 plus 18 it will be 68. So add these two, we get 34x less than or equal to 68. Now to eliminate 34, both the sides we need to divide by 34. So 34x by 34 less than or equal to 68 by 34. So here 34 get cancelled. We have x less than or equal to 2. Therefore the solution set is Therefore, the solution set is x less than or equal to 2. X has to be 2 and less than 2. That means we have to consider all the negative numbers minus infinity and 2. It has to be a closed interval. So, this is regarding the question number 11. Well, the question number 12, it is 1 by 2 into the bracket 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into the bracket x minus 6. So, let us solve this inequality now. So, I will be multiplying 1 by 2 with these two terms and 1 by 3 with these two terms. Multiply 1 by 2 inside, we have 3x by 10 plus, so if you multiply this, we get 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2 2s are, we get 2 here, greater than or equal to, so this becomes x by 3 minus 6 by 3 will be 2. So, now x by 3 is an extra term in the right hand side. So, in order to eliminate that, both the sides we need to subtract by x by 3. So, 3x by 10 and then minus x by 3 plus 2 greater than or equal to x by 3 minus 2 minus x by 3. So, what we have done in this step, we are subtracting x by 3 both the sides, remaining terms have been written as it is. So, these two get cancelled now, sorry, x by 3 this remains as it is, x by 3. So, here these two get cancelled. So, write the remaining terms, 3x by 10 minus x by 3, so plus 2 minus 2 greater than or equal to minus 2 minus 2. What we have done here? So, 2 is an extra term in the left hand side. Now, in order to eliminate this, we have to subtract 2 both the sides. I am doing that one. So, this term written as it is. So, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Here the LCM will be 30. 30 will be the LCM. 10 3s are, it becomes 9x and 3 10s are minus 10x. Then greater than or equal to minus 4. Greater than or equal to minus 4. So, now here 9x minus 10x will be minus x by 30 minus x by 30 greater than or equal to minus 4. Greater than or equal to minus 4. So, now we have to multiply 30 both the sides, so that here 30 will be eliminated in the denominator. So, minus x by 30 and here it is 30. So, greater than or equal to 30 minus 4, 30 minus 4. So, 30 and 30 get cancelled. So, minus x greater than or equal to minus 120, minus 120. So, here to eliminate minus, we have to multiply minus 1 both the sides, so that sign of inequality is reversed. So, minus x minus 1 less than or equal to minus 120 and then minus 1. So, minus x into minus 1 will be plus x less than or equal to, so it is 120, less than or equal to 120. So, we have to write the solution set for this. Therefore, the solution set is minus infinity and closed interval 120, minus infinity comma closed interval 120. So, this is all about the question number 12.